In today's Bitcoin video, I have to admit that I was potentially wrong. And I will show you exactly why I believe that this might be here the case. So definitely stick around here until the end if you want to know what I'm talking about, and make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell so that you will be always notified when I put out a new video. And now let's jump here directly into the Bitcoin chart. So what happened here yesterday was that Bitcoin was topping out here at $24,900 ish approximately, after Bitcoin broke here into this red resistance area. From there we got a harsh rejection back to the downside to this low here, $23,660 approximately, so $1,200 downwards move here. So and from there Bitcoin gained new momentum to go to the upside. So and let me show you why that was. So if I draw here a line, so you see that there is actually support for Bitcoin, because it was support here, there, here it broke support, was for a long time resistance, broke here again and turned into support. Support was broken here, and then here in the last couple of days broke above that support with a perfect retest, and yesterday again a retest of that support, and now we are back in this resistance area, and Bitcoin looks like that we want to break here way higher. So now the question is, what are my next targets here? So I have already a new long position open here on Bybit. So my entry was here at $24,524. So we are getting closer right now again to that position. So if you want to trade this with me, this is a $100,000 position. Don't forget, guys, you still have a couple of days to take advantage of that Bybit bonus here of $4,450. You will get this only with my link here. If you don't use my link and you just go to Bybit, it will just be $100, $200 that you would get in bonuses. So definitely make sure that you use this link to get your deposit bonus. And also on BitGet you still get $8,000 plus 15% on discount on the fees, also only with that link here in the description or in the pinned comment below. So now let's get back to Bitcoin. So when we are looking here on the daily chart, we see here a way clearer picture already, because Bitcoin is still technically in this bigger rising wedge here. So we had now two potential breakout attempts where the price tried to break above the rising wedge, but yeah, actually failed to do so. So but if we break out here, so and that is not a small if anymore, if we break above here, because we're talking here about $200, then the next target for Bitcoin, believe it or not, it will be $28,675, because there is the next resistance up here from where we actually broke down. So that was the support level that we lost and turned into resistance now. So and that will be the initial level, or the next key level that the Bitcoin price will test once we are breaking out of that bigger rising wedge here on the daily chart. So when we are looking here on the 4-hourly chart, let me also give you an overlook over there. So we are forming here a potential cup and handle pattern. So we have here the handle, and you see the Bitcoin price is trying right now to break the handle, and we have here the cup. So and now if we measure this, so you do that from the top to the lowest point in the cup, so which would be technically then here, and put it then to the potential breakout point. So then you see that is already another $1,200 higher than where the Bitcoin price is right now at, and we would have substantially broken out of this bigger rising wedge here. Also the stochastic RSI is signaling that it's ready to move here into higher levels, and yeah, because we are here right now oversold and getting a buy signal, so that is really nice. And I think also the EMA ribbons, yeah, we are here in an uptrend just got a bounce from there here to continue to go definitely higher here in the next coming hours. So yeah, so if you want to open a long position, the best entry in my opinion would be if we break here above the rising wedge. So you don't have to jump in now, so I would actually wait to break above the rising wedge, so which is at $24,600, so only $80 from where we are at right now. But wait for an hourly or 4-hourly close before you do that. You want to make sure that you are on the right side of the trade, so and put your stop loss at around $24,260. That's where I would put my stop loss if I would be you guys. So now let's also have a quick look on Ethereum, because I promised you guys yesterday that we will have a look on Ethereum. Here on the daily chart, so we can clearly see something really interesting, and that is that Ethereum has broken this downwards resistance trend line, because it was here all the time resistance, here we were fighting with it, and now we broke above it also with a retest and are going higher here. But of course you guys want to know, where is the next technical target for Ethereum? So there are a couple targets that we can line out. So the first one, we are sitting already on it. So, and the next one is a little bit higher. The next one is like, yeah, we can say it's like here. So here you have now your next targets for Ethereum as we continue to go higher here. So we have here 2021 and then 2394, so more or less 2200 and 2775-ish. So now let's backtest this with the Fibonacci exponential levels. Yeah, you see here the 1.618 is not so far away from 2775. So and that makes a lot of sense. And here, according to the Fibonacci, the 2.618 is at 3,725 and respectively the 3.618 at 4,800. So, but this will of course still take some time before we reach these levels, but I'm really heavy convinced that we're gonna hit these levels in by the end of this year. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. If you want to trade with me and get real-time updates when I post trades like this in my Telegram channel, don't forget that the link to my free Telegram channel is also here in the comment section and in the description of every video. And also, if you want to make consistent money with 3 to 5 signals every day, then join my paid signals group. Click here on this link. You would get redirected directly to my staff, and I will give you all the info that you need. So, and now guys, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.